All right, we're back with another video. Today we're talking about the giveaway, the $20 spots available. We only got 6 more available, so if that's something you're interested in on the JP23, a little bit about the item. I purchased the item. We got them for a review video, and we ran 1 per sub, so we did that, and they work great. You know what I'm saying? So you know, if there's something you're interested in winning for like 20 bucks, we only got 6 more slots available. So if there's something you want to do, take advantage of it. I got 6 more available. Definitely check the link down below if there's something you need or interested in. It does include the shipping and all that. So be sure to like, subscribe, share the video. If you're interested, be sure to DM me, contact me, or down in the comment down below. You'll see the description and everything you may need to know. But I'll see y'all back on the next one.